10 minutes.
Yes. Item 1.
Item 9, 13, 16, and 19. These are 4 matters. So, I guess 1722 ଗୋଟେ ମେନ୍ ମ୍ୟାଟର ସେଠି ଶୁଣାଣି ହେଉଛି ଜଷ୍ଟିସ ପିପି ସପ୍ତମୀଙ୍କ ପାଖରେ। ଏଥିରେ 78 ଜଣ ପାର୍ଟି। ସେ ଶୁଣାଣି ସରିକି ଅର୍ଡର ଦେଲା ବେଳକୁ ଦେଖିଲେ ଯେ 78 ଜଣ ପାର୍ଟି ମତେ କହିଲେ ସେପାରେଟ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ସବୁ ଫାଇଲ କରନ୍ତୁ, ମୁଁ କନଫାଇନ କରୁଛି ଜଣକୁ। ଏଇ ଯୋଉ 4ଟା ଉଠି ଯାଇଛି, ସେ ଯୋଉ ସେପାରେଟ ଆପ୍ଲିକେସନ ସେଠି ମୁଁ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇଛି ତା ଭିତରୁ 4।
Then we let them.
ସେ ସେଠିକି ସେ ସବୁ ଏକାଠି ହେଇକି ଶୁଣାଣି ହବ। କାରଣ ଏଥିରେ କାଉଣ୍ଟର ରିଜେକ୍ଟ ହେଇକି ଶୁଣାଣି।
Mr. Ojha, counsel for the petitioner, submits that the connected bench matter are being heard by the coordinator of this court. Let this matter be also listed before the same bench. Same bench.
Case number 1.
କେତେ item?
9, 13,
The
16,
registry is directed to verify the same and place before the concerned bench.
ନମ୍ବର ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି, ସେ ଲିଷ୍ଟ ଦେଇ ଦେଇଛି।
Okay.
ସେ କୋର୍ଟ
कितना मीटर लो?
4ଟା।
Yes.
Item 1.
The petitioner is a demonstrator in physics, my lord, working in Mahima College, my lord. During my during my approval, my lord, they had deducted the area salaries, holding that on Honorable Apex Court judgment, that is Union of India versus Tansim Singh, my lord. But later that has been set aside by this Honorable High Court and confirmed by the Honorable Apex Court. A large number of retitles also have been dismissed, my lord. I have come up claiming through a representation, my lord.
Representation.
My lord.
If you have a right, I'll allow it. If you don't have a right, it's a different story.
No, already
Tell me,
covered.
I think
Well,
I'll allow it. Very good.
Already covered. Large numbers are already remanded from the Apex
If
Court.
it is covered, then the court has to decide, not the
My
secretary.
lord, that is.
Court has to decide. It
So I
can
have
be-
given a
no-
detailed representation. If that is considered,
No. You have to satisfy the court because
Well.
we can't relegate the 226 power to the secretary.
Well.
We have to decide.
well, I have already quoted the.
You file the document, I'll satisfy, I'll allow it immediately.
My lord,
If you have filed it, so
my lord. May I take a lordship to the Honorable High Court's order, then the Honorable Apex Court
yes,
judgment.
yes.
And page 6 I have quoted, my lord.
6 you have quoted.
My lord, a bare
Yes.
bare reading of the aforesaid quoted observation of the Apex Court could make it clear that if the cases relates to refixation of the pay of such like benefits may be granted in spite of delay, as it does not affect the rights of the third parties, there is no dispute that the benefits in question being basically refixation of pay in terms of GI Order 94 is in nature of an individual benefit granted to an eligible employee on fulfillment of certain conditions and as such does not apply to all the employees at large. A coordinate bench of this court, in this case of Swarnalata Sahu versus State of Odisha and others, analyzed the issue, decided in case of Tansim Singh.
This observation is made in which judgment?
My lord,
This observation is made in which judgment?
Tansim Singh's, my lord, that Honorable Apex Court judgment.
Yes.
The last part, this court is therefore of the considered view that the ratio of Tansim Singh Supra has been wrongly applied to the case of the petitioner, for which the impugned order is rendered unsustainable in the
Can
highest law.
you show me its judgment, because I doubt whether I appeared in this matter or not. I think I appeared in this matter.
Well, I have not got to you, then some other day I'll file
Yes,
that.
I think I have appeared because the names sound familiar. Rasmi Ranjan Das and all. In that group
already
matter,
set aside by the Honorable Apex Court, my
Yes,
lord,
yes.
and remanded back, and retitles have been also been dismissed, my lord.
I think I appeared.
My
Just
lord,
take it
my
up.
lord.
I'll
My
just
lord, my lord.
release it on Monday before February. Wherever.
Item number 5 also same, my lord.
5, 1 and 5, na? Release on Monday.
My lord.
Item 2.
And file all the document and satisfy the court that you have a case, then it will be applied. Why representation?
Well, the averment is there that I am.
If you are covered by a particular judgment or not, who will decide this? Court will decide, or the secretary of
the
a...
original judgment I have got, not that Union of India.
You
versus-
file all the document.
My lord. Already I have quoted everything, my lord.
Yes.
Item 2.
May I please your lordship? My
Yes.
petitioner is a retired employee, my lord. He has been retired on 36 2024 and 3, my lord. And acting in the age of superannuation, my lord.
Yes. 30?
Is 36 2024, my lord.
Yes.
Well, since more than 1 year has been passed, no retirement benefit has been sanctioned in favor of.
What is happening is the papers are complete.
No final pension, no gratuity.
Huh?
Well, I have submitted the representation annexure 5, my lord.
No representation.
To open or
You
1,
have
my
case-
lord, which is
You
pending.
have
my
a
lord.
case, you have a case, sir. What is your prayer, by the way?
Retirement benefit, my lord. Such as final pension, gratuity, provident fund, along with other benefits, my lord.
Petitioner, how many of you are there? Only one, huh?
Only one.
Manoranjan Das, you are working as
Assistant engineer, my lord.
assistant engineer, assistant executive engineer.
My
Isn't it?
assistant executive engineer.
Uh,
my.
in the Brahmani left Basil Sukia has demitted office on 30/6/2024 after attaining the supervision. His grievance is that he has submitted all the required papers for processing the pensioner and retirement benefit, but the same has not yet been done. Hence, this writ petition. Issue notice to opposite parties. Number all the opposite party. Why 4? All the opposite party is the government of Orissa will, Water Resources Department will do.
My lord, what
So then let it be 1 and 2, huh? 1 and 2. Issue notice to respondent number 1 and 2. Returnable within 4 weeks. Yes, sir. Item 3.
my lord, dispose of the representation, my lord. Allegation 5, which is pending.
No, I have issued notice. They'll come and tell you if it is done, it's done. Why in representation? Yes, sir. 4.
3, Your Lordship. I mean 3, Your Lordship. Item 3. The Odisha Subordinate Staff Selection Commission, Your Lordship, issued one advertisement that is under Annexure 1 at page 9, Your Lordship, for a combined recruitment examination for the post of pharmacist and a multipurpose health worker, male, Your Lordship. And I applied for that post, Your Lordship. Your Lordship, kindly come to page 18. Pharmacist and multipurpose health
worker.
Male.
Okay.
Then, Your Lordship, kindly come to running page 18.
18. Okay.
Second para, Your Lordship. Total number of posts.
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Yes. Total number of posts.
So,
Yes.
The last bottom column, Your Lordship. Total number of posts was advertised 1451. 1451 posts was advertised.
18. Page 18.
Page 18. Page 18. Annexure 2. Bottom line. Last column.
1451.
Yes, Lord. 1451 posts were advertised. And accordingly, I participated in the examination process. I stood successfully in the merit. and merit list was, Your Lordship, kindly come to Annexure 5.
Yes.
Annexure 5. The written examination result was published.
Which district? You are from which district?
In various districts. It is a district cadre post. They sought for the district wise preference. I applied. But at the time of publishing the results, I stood successful in SCBC category. But instead of giving appointment to other candidates, my candidate has not been considered.
Why? Where from I'll get that you got successful?
Yes, Your Lordship. Yes, Your Lordship.
Sorry, yeah.
Your Lordship, kindly come to page 26, Your Lordship.
20.
Page 26.
Yes.
SCBC 45.04. Multipurpose health worker. Cut-off mark was 45.04.
Where is it? For 26, page 26. ACBC, yes.
Last cut-off mark was 45.04. And my serial is
45.04. Yes.
And my roll number is in page 25, Your Lordship.
25. 45.
Yes. In the second column, first.
45.04.
04, where I have C code 45.23.
Where is that?
That is at last
Page
page,
25.
45.23.
Page, which page?
Page, yes.
Which page?
Just a minute. Your Lordship, kindly come to page 30.
30.
Page 31st. Multipurpose health worker, male. My roll number was there. And last cut-off mark is 45.23.
That may be qualifying mark. You tell me. Cut-off mark may be there qualifying you. So somebody maybe might have got more marks also. This is cut-off mark only.
I have secured more than the cutoff mark.
You might have been, few candidates might have got more than you also.
That is their standard. But out of 1400 some posts,
Where you have to demonstrate that you
Yes.
have got the qualifying mark is 45, cut-off mark is no problem. And the SCBC category, if anybody has got secured more mark than you,
I have secured the more than the cutoff mark, Lordship. Yes. In
you have got more than cut-off mark. I can understand that.
yes, Lordship.
But whether any other candidate, those who have been selected,
Yes.
might have secured more marks than you.
Yes, Lordship. Yes.
Then
But she
merely because you are qualifying doesn't mean that you
Yes,
got the cut-off
but-
mark
but
doesn't
I-
mean that you will be
that
getting
is,
the
that
appointment.
is not in the advertisement. Neither it is in the cutoff mark, which now they are stipulating. That is neither in the advertisement nor in the rule. And I
Is
have,
it your case that anybody who will get the cut-off mark is entitled to appointment?
no, that my case may be considered as because it is a district cadre post in other district. The posts are lying vacant and only 700 some
You have
posts-
applied for which district?
I applied for the Moirganj district and as well as other district also.
Which
Because
district? Which district?
just now I come. That is at page 23, Your Lordship.
20?
23, my application, Your Lordship.
Yes. 23.
Yes.
Yes. Which district preference?
It is a district case of preference. It was called for last Your Lordship. To submit after selection, they called for the district-wise preference, Your Lordship. I submitted the district-wise
No,
preference.
the examination was conducted district wise or it is a common
Common
examination.
yes. And my district preference was page 28, Your Lordship.
Where is merit list? Do you have the merit list with you?
Merit list, no, sir.
Get the merit list. Let us understand in the SCBC category. SCBC category. Let him get the merit list.
Yes.
We'll see where you stand.
Yes.
Right. Petitioner in persons to the advertisement dated 15/12/2023. The present petitioner has participated in the examination.
Commissioner is there.
Huh?
The opener 4 is the staff selection commission.
I'll just see. I'll just issue notice. Petitioner has participated in the examination for the post of which post you have applied for? Multi?
It will be combined examination, Your Lordship. It is both for pharmacist and multiple.
You applied for what? Pharmacist or multiple?
It is both, Your Lordship.
Applied for pharmacist and multi. What is that known as?
Multi-purpose health worker, male, Your Lordship.
Health worker. Land Council for the petitioner submits that by taking me to annexure 5, annexure 5 you have taken, annexure page 26, annexure, this is annexure 6, annexure 5, taking me to the annexure 5, submitted that the cutoff mark for HCBC candidate is
What?
45.04.
Yes.
And he has secured more than the same.
Yes,
The
yes,
same.
yes.
Therefore, his candidature ought to have been considered for any other district, any district. Korapur, Malkangiri, Moirganj, any district. As the category district wise category.
District-wise category.
District-wise category. In the issue notice to the opposite party number, all opposite party.
Government is
Opposite
applying
party,
for.
opposite party, research operating to all 5. Issue notice to also. Elected council for the state. So appears for the state and submits that you will produce the composite merit list pertaining to SCBC category on the next date appearing. Release it after a week.
A short return date may be fixed.
After a week.
Item 4 is
Great.
the staff selection commission.
Yes.
Issue notice. But you get that you get that SCBC category merit list. We'll see where he stands.
Yes.
Yes.
Grateful, Your Lordship.
Yes.
Madam, item 4, madam.
Yes.
This petitioner is a sub-inspector, my lord, appointed in year 2017, lordship, 2/1/2017, after due procedure of the law. He was appointed, my lord. he faced a departmental proceeding on dated 26/2/2026 to 2020, my lord, where the inquiring officer found that he is not guilty, but overwriting the inquiring officer observation, SP grant him one black mark, my lord, on the dated that is 23/9/2020, lordship. So in from 2020, accepting even though that black mark, my lord, for granting promotions, my lord, the rule says they will see the 5 year from the date of any punishment is if it is awarded, my lord. Now this petitioner case, my lord, on 23/9/2020, he has been granted this punishment, my lord. And Annexure 3 is that now in 23/10/2025, my lord, the government has asked for a nomination. Those who have qualified a service of 8 years as in SI from the date of appointment, they will be promoted to.
But I'll tell you,
Yes, my lord.
insofar as the black mark issue is concerned,
Yes, my lord.
the larger bench is considering next week matter is there.
I see, my lord.
So I'll list it on 24th.
I'm obliged, my
I
lord.
think we will interpret what is the implication of that black mark in police manual.
Yeah, my lord, may I? Actually, I have researched it, my lord. In actually, there is no law in PMR, but what they're following, I have taken an aberment. They're following 5 year of principle. It is
That
the
we are considering whether the jail manual has a statutory effect or not. If it
Yes.
doesn't have statutory effect and everything goes, wait.
Yes,
I'll
I'm
list it
waiting, my
on
lord.
24th. Please,
I'm waiting.
list the matter on 24th.
In the meantime, my lord, can I say one thing? Let them file an instructions whether
Let us
how
see
why he has not been selected
if
because they have
everything-
not communicated.
You see, if we interpret in your favor, then everything falls in line. Why are you? List it on 24th. Okay.
Only one instruction they may call for, my lord.
Nothing. Yes.
Obliged, my lord.
Hmm.
Obliged.
Please, Geo. On the way. On your way. Yes.
Item 6.
Yes. Nobody there. Anganwadi. Well, rest of the matter after lunch. Rest of the matter after lunch.
Item 10, I may be permitted to withdraw.
Use the memo.
Well, with liberty to approach afresh, my lord. Fresh application টা দেবে withdraw করব।
What do you want?
To move afresh the authority application before the appropriate authority.
You have the right. Who stops you? To withdraw it.
My lord, I may be pardoned, my lord.
Then,
Item 15. My lord, item 15.
Yes.
Shall I call this method next week?
Item 15 next
Item
week.
15.
Then memo. In the memo, you do one thing. In memo, you write that. In view of the memo, I was stands withdrawn. So indirectly, this is done. In the memo, write whatever. In view of the memo, it is withdrawn.
Memo, region টা memo রয়ে যাও।
Huh?
Region টা memo রয়ে যাও।
Sorry,
Region in the memo.
I'll not say in view of the memo stands withdrawn. Yes.
Six.
6.
Item 6.
Yes.
Item 7.
6.
6.
7.
Item 7.
Item 7 may please, man. My lord, this is the third round of writ petition, my lord.
Item 6 adjourned.
This third round of writ petition, my lord. Petitioner is a retired work charge employee, my lord. He was initially engaged on NMR basis in the year 1989. Thereafter, finance department
Regularization.
for pension, my lord, because he has retired in the meantime only because he was never brought about to the regular establishment. He has been denied pension as per the OCS pension rule 1992. My lord,
Can anything be done?
My lord, যাও নোটিশটা যাও।
Simply issue notice. Policy. Issue notice.
Right.
This work charge employee, NMR and
What by Narsu?
all these things.
yes, my lord.
Whether your pensionable service, qualifying service is there or not. So many things are.
Annex
Check that.
13 series, my lord, this honorable court has passed.
See, sympathetically, they may consider. I will issue notice.
My lord.
Issue.
They have rejected already. Annexure 12.
see.
My lord.
Item 8.
May it please your lordship, my lord. I am Vishwar Puri, my lord. This is a case regarding the appointment of the rehearsal action scheme, my lord. So far, the rule 4/4/2025 is concerned, issued by the state government, vide annexure 4, my lord. Please make a glance. This is being the rule came into force 4/4/2025, running page 28, my lord. My submission before lordship is that petitioner's father, while working as a piano under collectorate Puri, my lord, met tragic death on 17/6/2016, my lord. Since that day, the petitioner being doctor has been harassed. In spite of your lordship's error, by annexure 1, please make a glance, page that is 24. Annexure 1, this is being the order passed by your lordships. By annexure 1, running page 24, I may be permitted to operate person, my lord. With your permission, my lord, I may be read page 12. Thus, from the compost of the analysis of the fact and law as discussed above, this court is of the considered view that the impugned order under Annex 1 cannot be sustained in the eyes of law and hence warrants interference. Resultantly, the writ petition is allowed. The impugned order under Annex 1 is
My lord,
hereby
1 minute. 1 minute. Yes.
My lord, the representation of the petitioner was rejected. That is at Annexure 8. I
Hmm.
find that the collector Puri rejected the representation of the petitioner, taking into consideration the rehabilitation assistance policy 2020 to 2024 लिख दीजिए, भूल लिखिए. But in the meantime, 2025 policy has already there, not considered. And the present petitioner, she is married, living with her husband, not
You
dependent.
must read what is the
Let my lord collector to take a decision as per the 2025 policy, my lord.
2025.
Yes, 25 policy as
The fact that the father of the petitioner so expired on 2006.
Annexure 8. Annexure 8. Last
Is married daughter. Married daughter.
Married.
Married daughter is entitled.
My lord.
Even
Although
in the existing scheme of 2024.
ସେଇଟାକୁ ସେମାନେ examine କରନ୍ତୁ. Let them pass it because this order was passed not in accordance with the 2025 policy. Even if this order was passed on 15/7/2025 and the policy came into force on 4th April 2025.
Now I dispose it up.
Yes, my lord. That's
Dispose it up saying, you tell me this policy inviting the reference to
that is at Annexure 4.
dispose of
Annexure 4, my lord.
Annexure?
4.
4. Running page 28.
This is the policy now.
Yes, my lord.
2025
policy.
policies. And it is Annexure 8, come to Annexure 8.
Annexure 8. Page 36, paragraph 2 रे लिखिले. In the meantime, OCS Array Amendment Rule 2024 has
Now where are you reading?
my lord, page 36.
36. Yes, 36. In the meantime,
OCS Array Amendment Rule
have been notified.
24 ର କିଛି rule ନାହିଁ. 2020 ତାପରେ 25 has been notified.
Actually 24 गलत है ये तो.
ଏଟା ଭୁଲ ହେଇଛି.
Typographical.
କଲା ବେଳକୁ ଏ ଅର୍ଡର ହେଇଛି 15/7/2025.
15
7 2025.
25 रे हला ये order
Yes.
ठीक है
And the policy came into force on 4th April 2025.
4 April
2025.
25. I think this is a typographical error. Is it a typographical error?
Actually, date भी ମଧ୍ୟ ପକଉଛନ୍ତି 1/10/2025 notification dated 1/10/2024.
केवल हेडा एक्चुअली annexure 4 टा देखो तो
Annexure 4th April 2024. 5.
गलत है ये
Policy
Head
ଯେହେତୁ 2025 ରେ dispose of କରିଛନ୍ତି, they have to consider in accordance with the RA policy 2025.
In the earlier round the petitioner approached this court by filing writ petition civil number 30579 of 2023 inter alia inter alia seeking compassionate appointment under rehabilitation assistance scheme. This court by a detailed order dated 18 October 2023 directed the last order is directed the authorities to consider directed the authority to consider the case of the petitioner for compassionate appointment. The operating part of the order reads as under P25 or 13.
Paragraph
Pursuant to the said,
Paragraph 13.
13 years. Pursuant to the said order, the petitioner appears to have given a representation on 4/11/2024, which came to be decided by the opposite party. Who is opposite party?
Collector, my lord.
Opposite party number? Collector
is
is opposite party.
Opposite party of 2 minor.
Came to be decided
Collector
by
Puri.
the opposite party is number 2, the collector of
Right.
Puri. By its detailed order dated 15/7/2025. Reading of the rejection, whereby he has rejected the prayer made by the petitioner for compassionate appointment under the scheme. Reading of the impugned order dated 15/7/2025 passed by respondent number 4, that is Collector Puri, reveals that the representation made by the petitioner pursuant to the order of this court has been considered keeping in view the OCS bracket RA Amendment Rule 2024.
24 dated 1/10/2024.
Dated wide government GAPG department notification number so and so it is 8 लिखाई है 36 लिखाई है 1/10/2024. Letter counsel for the petitioner has taken me to annexure 4, which is the notification for the GA department dated 4th April 2025. In the by the said notification,
Orissa Civil
fresh
Service
policy,
Rehabilitation Assistance
fresh-
Amendment Rule 2020.
a fresh policy, namely amendment rule. What is that? Where is that written? A fresh policy, namely Orissa Civil Services bracket Rehabilitation Assistance bracket close Amendment Rule 2025 has come into force with effect from
4th April 2020.
4th April 2025. Therefore, the case of the petitioner ought to have been considered by the authority under the said rule of 2025. In view of the same, the present petition is allowed, and the order dated 15/7/2025 passed by the Collector Puri is set aside, and the respondent number 2, collector is directed to consider the case of the petitioner in the light of the OCS RA Amendment Rules 2025 within a period of 4 weeks hence. 4 weeks hence.
From the date of production of the certified copy.
On the date of production of the certified copy. Yes.
11.
May I please, Your Lordship? The OP number 4 has filed another writ petition bearing number 16699 of 2024. May I kindly taken up along with the same?
Counsel for the petitioner submits that the opposite party number 4,
4 may.
has filed another writ petition touching the same issue in this. The writ petition is numbered as
16699 of 2024.
let the present petition be heard along with the said writ petition. Lease the matter. Yes.
Item 12.
Nobody is there. Adjourned.
Item 14.
None. Present none. Present. Adjourned. Yes, 14, madam.
Lordship, this is a matter relating to family pension, Your Lordship.
Sorry.
This is a matter relating to family pension, Your Lordship, that has been rejected on the ground that she is a married daughter, but they have not considered that she is a widow and she is a physically handicapped person with 50% disability.
Where is the imperial order?
Annexure 13, Your Lordship.
Annexure
13.
1-3. She's the daughter, married daughter.
They have rejected on the ground that she is a married daughter.
Where is that? Which paragraph?
At page
You
35.
had earlier approached this court.
I have earlier approached this court.
Instruction because pursue the second round of litigation.
This is a second round of litigation. I have approached this
Rejection seems to be
Weeks
something.
from date of the approaching the petitioner in terms of rule. It was rejected now. Huh?
Mhm.
The petitioner had earlier approached this court by
may I-
filing
may-
writ petition. Where is it writ petition? What was the number
That's
of the
under annexure,
That is under and that at page
annexure
30
12, Your Lordship.
12
page 29 starts the
27.
previous order.
writ petition?
Hmm.
2113. Number 2113 of 2025. This court, by the order dated 18/3/2025, disposed of the said writ petition, directing the opposite party number 1 and 2 to consider the case of the petitioner, grievances of the petitioner within 4 weeks from the date of within 4 weeks in terms of Rule 56 of OCS Pension Rules 1992.
Within 2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Within 4 weeks, within 4
No, no, 2 weeks thala.
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
Last time within
within 2
2 weeks
weeks.
from the date of taking.
No.
No, communication at
in
2
the event
weeks.
it is found that the petition is entitled.
Communication at 2 weeks.
It is also directed that in the event the petitioner is found entitled to the disability family pension, then the opposite party number 1 and 2 were directed to sanction and disburse her pension within a period of 2 weeks from the date of taking decision. Pursuant thereto, the petitioner filed. Have you given a representation?
I had given a
Representation dated.
uh,
When have you given the representation? Autothini position. When have you given, madam?
next that. It's probably 6/8.
Which is your representation?
I may be pardoned, Your Lordship.
Hmm?
I have
Yes, it is.
annexed it.
Annexing.
I have not
Give the
annexed.
date at least.
I don't have it. I don't have the representation copy, but they had communicated it through a representation. They have communicated the
I know
certificate.
that, but this order is passed so moto or
No, pursuant to the order of the page 34 making reliance.
34?
Informed order.
I know that, but where is that? Srimati
Saraswati has filed WPC 2113/2020.
That I know, but after this order of this court on
Yes,
18/3/2025,
Correct.
have you given any representation or so moto this order is passed?
No, para 3 mentions petitioner has submitted a representation before the principal secretary.
The persons thereto petitioner appears to have submitted a representation before the principal secretary to the government finance department, enclosing the copy of the order dated 18/3/2025 passed by this court and necessary medical disability certificate showing that she is 50% physically showing 50% physical impairment in relation to her left leg. Left leg. The said representation was considered by who has considered opposite party number? Considered by
One.
the principal.
One.
Considered by opposite party number 1 and by detailed order dated 2/5/2025 rejected the same on the ground that petitioner is not entitled to family pension as a disabled daughter as she has already she married,
Married.
as she is already married. The letter counsel for the petitioner submits that although the petitioner was married, but she has already been separated.
She is a widow, Your Lordship.
So she is a widow. She is widow. Therefore, the ground on the basis of which her claim has been rejected is misplaced. Accordingly, the present writ petition has been filed. Issue notice to opposite parties. So and so accept notice and leave the matter after
May I pray,
We are
may I pray, Your
state
Lordship?
for 1 and 3 only.
1 and
Not 2.
3, yeah?
1 and 3.
Lordship may also
2 and notice you. Accountant General.
Accountant General is 1 and 3. Issue notice to respond to 1 and 3 only. 2 is not required at this stage.
May I pray, Your Lordship? Lordship may also kindly take into account Annexure 11, Your Lordship. That is a circular that has been passed by this.
I'm not disputing.
will consider that.
I just gave you a little fact so that it will be easier.
They may take instruction on
You'll
Annexure
get
11.
instruction. You give the copy.
Because that has been clarified that a disabled child is.
That is your case, basically.
Yes, Your Lordship.
See, next week. Huh? Yes. Yes.
Item 17.
Sir, my lord, petitioner was initially engaged as a DLR employee, my lord. As graduate engineer, he was initially engaged. Thereafter, he has filed a case for regularization before the Honorable Tribunal. While Annexure 6, the learned Tribunal has directed to consider the case of the petitioner for regularization. Thereafter, my lord, while Annexure 7, my lord, they have absorbed me under watch charge establishment, and till date, my lord, my service has not yet been regularized.
There are recommendations of the various authorities to absorb the present petition. That has not been acted upon.
Yes,
And the
I
next
simply issue notice.
Please notice.
Issue notice, sir.
but the representation is pending, my lord.
Representation is pending.
Where?
Annexure 12.
Annexure?
Annexure 12, my lord, 25/3/2025, my lord, the petitioner has represented.
It is to be adjudicated. See, the problem is such a exhaustive representation you have given. It has to be adjudicated upon.
Man,
It has to be
As a lot.
adjudicated upon whether
Well.
you are entitled or not.
man,
Simply issue notice.
man.
Yes.
Hon'Ble.
18.
May I please, your lordship? Here, my lord, I have filed a batch of case, my lord. Only one case was listed before your lordship, my lord.
Okay. Another case, huh? Is it?
No, but 13 writ petition I have filed, my lord. The first, only one
You-
case
No. 13 writ petition regarding what?
regarding here, my lord, case is that, my lord, the petitioner was
Seeking financial benefit due on
All
delayed
13
promotion.
different petitioners.
different,
Similar is
similar case.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that regarding the issue, same issue in list, 13, 12 more.
12 more, madam.
have been filed, and therefore he requests that all the 13, all the 12 matters, including all the 13 matters, including the
Present
present
writ petition.
writ petition, we heard analogously. Leave the matter.
Item 20 is one of the connected matter.
Huh?
Item 20 is the one of the connected matter.
No,
Well, 20 is also there.
29.
Okay, let us see. Okay. 20, 19.
May it please your lordship.
First, okay.
May it please your
Yes,
lordship.
sir.
My lord,
Next week.
I am the wife. Myself and my son both have been deserted and getting maintenance from the criminal code under 125 CRPC. Now it is stopped also. What has happened while the husband expired? And thereafter, my lord, question of family pension is now at the moment the grievance before your lordship. My lord, he has married another lady. Though my status as wife, it continues. Because
Who has married another lady?
my husband, after deserting me, that is non-official.
Petitioner is the
Yes,
first
but,
wife.
Officially you are separated, no?
No, I am entitled, but I
Second
find
marriage illegal.
Second marriage, but from the representation at annexure 4, it seems the second wife is getting all the pensionary benefits.
the king, but
How
cannot-
she is
how
that
can-
marriage?
Shouldn't have.
that is exactly mine.
Probably in the service book, he must have mentioned the deceased employee. He must have mentioned the name of the second wife. That is how she must be getting.
Then this representation is pending.
Yes, depends on annexure 4, but is not proper.
What are the document you have supposed?
I have given the legal heir certificate.
Legal certificate.
Yes,
is
I
your
am
name.
shown as the wife. I am getting maintenance as status as wife. And my
You are getting 125 order is also there.
under annexure 2,
Enhancement
enhancement,
is there.
yes, maintenance I am getting.
That has been passed in 2020, but whether after 2020 they have been separated or not, that is not on
That is to be
record.
resolved by the authority, my lord. She cannot get.
Your husband is
A teacher, my lord.
his respondent number 4.
Yes, 4. That will
Kalpana
be.
Sahu.
Yes.
Kalpana is the second wife.
Second wife.
Your husband is not implicated. You have
Husband is.
Deceased.
as a
It is
pension-
regarding the family.
Question of family pension.
Okay, right. Okay.
Family pension.
The petitioner has filed the present writ petition exploring the inter alia, making the following prayer. Mr. Das, Land Counsel for the petitioner submits that he was legally married with one Gopinath Sahu, who was employed as teacher.
He was a teacher.
He was a teacher.
Teacher.
The Gopinath Sahu deserted her and her son. Therefore, they approached the court of law for the purpose of seeking maintenance. The family court,
No family, but the
Huh?
SDJM, my lord.
the SDGM,
Yes. JMFC.
Kalahandi,
Yes, my lord.
Junagadh Kalahandi,
Yes.
by allowing the CMC number 10 of 2020, by a detailed judgment has enhanced the maintenance amount. Maintenance amount.
Under 127.
Under 127
CRPC.
CRPC. The Gopinath Sahu has been making good the payment till she expired on
So he expired in the year 2024.
expired in the year 2024.
Mhm.
He has
424.
4/4/24. The petitioner has also placed on record the legal heir certificate of Sri Gopinath Sahu. As per the legal heir
Page
certificate,
12.
the petitioner is shown as the widow wife of Gopinath Sahu, and two sons, all three sons.
And two sons, one daughter.
Two sons and one daughter. All of them are married to have been shown.
No, those children through other wife.
Huh?
Those children through other may be illegitimate but entitled for share. But I am the wife. Other wife not shown.
छोड़ दो. Shown is
Only wife.
the petitioner is shown as the
Wife.
wife of late Gopinath Sahu. Mr. Das further submits that despite the fact that admittedly the petitioner has been shown as the wife of Gopinath Sahu, she has been deprived from the family pension. Therefore, he has given a representation to the concerned authority on 29/9/2025. he submits that on the basis of the document he has placed on record, his representation may be considered. It appears that the case of the petitioner deserves merit in view of the averment made in the writ petition as well as the document enclosed with the writ petition. Therefore, the relief sought by the petitioner deserves attention. Accordingly, the writ petition is allowed. Now, who is to be directed? The
Lordship is allowing the writ application.
I'm giving a direction. I'm giving a direction to consider.
Consider the
Ah.
representation.
Writ petition is allowed, and the opposite party number.
Your lordship may
Who is
say
directed?
1 and 2 because it is
Opposite
given
party
to
number
1.
1 and 2 is directed to consider the representation made by the petitioner on 29/9/2025, 2025, keeping in view the averment made in the writ petition as well as the annexure enclosed with the writ petitions. The same may be the representation, the opposite party number 1 and 2 is also directed to consider the case of the petitioner as expeditiously as possible, preferably within a period of 2 weeks,
May I add?
4 weeks.
No, opportunity of hearing should be given to the petitioner as well as the second wife, so that it will be a concrete judgment.
Yes. At this stage, Mr. Sulakmi submits that since there is a competing claim of another, have you implemented?
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Competing
Number
claim
four.
of respondent number
4 to
4,
6.
5, and 6 regarding the family pension has come to the fore. It is necessary that before any such orders are passed by the respondent number 1 and 2, appropriate opportunity should be granted to opportunity for hearing should be granted to respondent number 4, 5, and 6,
As well as the petitioner.
as well as the petitioner. Hence, it is expected that the concerned authority shall take into consideration the grievance of the petitioner, and after giving appropriate opportunity of hearing to respondent number 4, 5, 6, pass order in accordance with law. Yes. Thank you.